It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. Oh my goodness, you guys. I've got a super fun video. We're going to talk all about Christmas. I got my hands on some of the Bath and Body Works Christmas body care. I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm really excited for Christmas this year. I get excited for every holiday. If you've been watching me for years, you're like, yeah, Bonnie's pretty much excited every time a new holiday comes out. It's true. I am. Oh my gosh. But first, before we get to the body care, check it out. Life Inside the Page, Tess posted a drinks and bakery 3-wick candle collection. I'm going to go over the names of these candles. So, blueberry lemon sour, brioche French toast. That sounds just delightfully new. Candy cane colada, candy emporium, top shelf elf. Is that like tipsy elf? White chocolate macadamia, caramel frappuccino, Claus Cosmopolitan. I'm like, what's a Cosmopolitan? And a hot pink cocoa. So I don't know. These are looking really interesting to me. I gotta say, I'm excited about Christmas. These are looking wonderful. So, couple of new candles coming out. And then, like I said, I got my hands on some body care. So, as many of you know, faceted collection. I knew they were going to do this one year. I thought maybe it was going to be last year, but I knew at some point Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Twisted Peppermint were going to be faceted. And what they did was they really made it festive, I gotta say, because you know me, I've been kind of hit and miss on the faceted, but these are gorgeous. Look at the label. It's just beautiful. It's the faceted, but I like the Christmassy effect here. The red top. And scent notes on this one: red apples, winter rose petals, candied oranges, maple leaf, and fresh cinnamon. I did a preview of this yesterday, and I gotta say, it smells just like winter candy apple. It smells perfect. I'm so excited to get my hands on the entire new collection. So this is what it's going to look like. $17.95. I'm impressed because I thought maybe they were going to go $18.95 on Christmas faceted. The unfortunate part is you cannot buy these with your app rewards. That is a total bummer, but they're pretty. Next up, Vanilla Bean Noel, $17.95. I actually paid full price for these, by the way, just to let you guys know. Took one for the team. Check it out. I gotta say, this is my favorite packaging in the cream of Vanilla Bean Noel in forever. I don't know, it just really hits every graphic design element. I like the shininess. I like the foil. I like there's everything. I just really love it. So this one is fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. And I gotta say, I tried this in the car on the way home. I think they may have gotten my camera just froze. This is the best smelling Vanilla Bean Noel I've smelled in a long time. It's not super strong, because we all know Vanilla Bean Noel isn't super strong, but they really got the vanilla on. It smells wonderful to me this year. So I don't know. I just have the cream, so we'll see if the trend continues. But so far, I have high hopes for Vanilla Bean Noel. I was smelling this all the way home. It smells absolutely wonderful. So I'm excited. I am really excited. Twisted Peppermint will also be in this collection. And then I also got Golden Berry Mistletoe. Yes, this is new. It is supposedly a berry and spruce, like pine scent. The packaging is okay. It's a little hard to photograph. It's kind of like, almost like a light beige, brownish. But, it smells unique. I was like, what the heck is this? It's not pure on pine. It's not pure on fruit, but there's a lot of fruit and pine mixed in there. I can't decide if I like this one or not. It's different. I gotta say, that's what I like about it. I gotta smell it in the body care. I'm getting a fruity pine. A fruity pine. I don't know what mistletoe smells like. I can't remember if I've ever smelled mistletoe, but it's definitely unique. So I'm kind of excited to try the rest of the collection. I might use this tonight. I might just kind of, I don't know. There's a lot going on in this one right now, but I think I'm most excited about Vanilla Bean Noel because, oh my goodness, like I totally want to just use this tonight, and I think I will because it just smells. That vanilla is wonderful. It's not cookie. It's not mixed with musk or amber or anything weird. It's just our good old-fashioned vanilla bean. Oh my gosh. It smells good. A little whipped caramel in there, maybe. I'm not even getting like the snow-kissed musk. Oh, it's so good. I'm so excited for Vanilla Bean Noel this year. I hope everything smells as good as this because if it does, I'm going crazy on Vanilla Bean Noel. That's going to be my scent this year, I think. I've been waiting for a good one to come back. So anyway, super exciting. I'm so happy that I got a little Christmas preview in for you guys. Oh my gosh, we have to go back to Halloween. Gotta go back to Halloween. I'm excited for Halloween. It looks like Halloween outside. It's raining. It's dark. It's terrible out. I think I'm ready to be delighted for Christmas this year. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.